YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Did you miss me? Nah, I'm pretty sure y'all did. I'm out here every day. I'm on YouTube Live, I'm doing behind the scenes, I'm active in the squad, I got the TikTok popping off, a whole lot of things going on. But today we're gonna be talking about press time products and some of the blanks that I'll have to offer. Stay tuned, y'all. So once you get a press time product, sublimation will be blank like this. And I have Ohio on there just to, reference the state. A lot of people don't know the outlines. I know it took me a little while to go through and peruse and figure out exactly which state was which, but we got to it. There's a clear film on this that you will have to use your weeder and get it off with the corner. So let's zoom in on that so I can show that. So right here is usually where I pick, and I'm using one of the photo panels that I'm actually going to sublimate on for this video. And you just dig in a little bit till you get into the plastic and roll back. Once you roll back, you can see that you've got that corner. Now this is going to expose the sublimation part of the actual photo panel. So what you want to do is just then peel. And it gives you a nice clean surface. I don't like to touch the sublimation with my bare hand. Just peel back. So this is the film that I was talking about that's on there. You want to make sure this is removed, because if not, you'll have a semi-colored photo blank, which I'll show a little bit later on in this video. So once you've had the plastic off, now you have a clear, clean surface to sublimate on. And the resiliency, the high quality is HD on the finish, which we're getting ready to show you as we press. But I want to go over the press times. So to actually press, this is at 380 degrees for 45 seconds. And it should be able to take on all the color that you have in your said sublimation print. It's another one of the sublimation states. Now this one is small. Hey, remember guys, these are prototypes. These are the first batch. I was excited to get them to me. The measurements were off, so they're ultimately gonna be way bigger than this. But this is West Virginia, or I should say Virginia. Another one I got is Oregon. Check that out, y'all. And like I said, these sizes are the prototype. We can make them bigger or smaller. Preferably bigger, since they're gonna go on the wall and you're gonna decorate them. And we'll go with another state real quick. I've already showed you Ohio. How about Texas? Should you imagine putting a star on there? Maybe what's that show from back in the day? Texas Ranger. Yeah, that's old school. Maybe put Chuck Norris on here. Here's another state, Cali. California knows how to party. And once again, these are the prototypes. So I'm going to get bigger states. I'm looking at probably 10 by 10s. These were supposed to be 8 by 10s. And as you can see, the width is really not there. And the person almost just carved out of a 10 by 10 sheet. So trial and error. Like I said, I'm going through the prototypes right now. Not only will we be offering states, we'll have some keychains, not too many. And we're going to probably put squad on these. And here's a circle. And you could just about put anything on that circle. I mean, it's your world. You do what you want to. So yeah, the pricing and all that is coming up soon for these. And the heart. We'll show the heart. Love makes everything better. So we know Valentine's just passed, but we got Mother's Day right around the corner and Father's Day. So you might want to give something a little bit special and a little bit different from the norm, which would be one of these sublimation blanks. And put whatever picture you want to it. But yo, let's get into this press. Yo, before I press this, I gotta shout out the squad. 12 Gone Apparel, all things style. You dig? You dig? Yeah, I tried to switch it up a little bit, but I'm used to saying it that way, so can't go nowhere but up, as my homeboy Jay Styles would say. But I have my heat temperature to 380 degrees, and like I said, we're gonna press for 45 seconds. Now, as with any sublimation, you want to make sure that your platen is well covered, because if not, the sublimation ink can get transferred from the actual backing to the top of the platen. As y'all see, I got mine's double covered. I got the butcher paper, I got the makeshift Teflon sheet up here, and you know, just protection. The thing is if that sublimation ink gets to the top of this platen and you go to stamp something else, you'll have what we call ghosting, and that's a no-no. So we just fold this butcher paper over, or butcher paper. Yeah, fam, I got you down locked. What you gonna say? And the pressure for this, y'all, is at a medium. It's not a firm pressure. It's at a rather light pressure. I folded that over. And that also keeps the picture initially down on the sublimation straight. So then we're just gonna close. Nope, my pressure's not right. Make sure to adjust that pressure. There we go. And we're gonna press for 45 seconds. And usually with the auto open, I try to catch that, especially when I'm doing sublimation because of the ghosting problem. But I have my image taped down. So we're actually gonna move this to a cooler surface. Y'all might have sensitive fingers, so please beware of the hotness. And before we actually unveil this whole picture, let's shout out some of the squad. And this is actually, I'm live on YouTube while I'm making this YouTube video. And I'm just gonna shout out a couple of people that's actually in my live right now. So hopefully there's some squad members in here. All right, so maybe not, maybe so. We got one, James Patton, but I've shouted him out before. Y'all go like, comment, subscribe if he has a channel. Please drop it in the comment section below. He has been knowledgeable. He's been with us on this long journey, and we're all trying to succeed, help people, uplift, and motivate. Next one, I'm not sure if he follows us in the squad, but he's right here on my live. His name is Daddy Rob 59, and he corrected me. I had said Bart Simpson, and actually it was a picture of Homer Simpson. Shouts out to you, Daddy Rob. And then I'm just going to pick another one from the squad that's super active and does a lot. I'll do it. Let me see. Because there's a lot of people, y'all. We almost up to 600 members, so I can't just go willy-nilly. And I'm trying to get everybody's name. Hey, yo, Red. That's the third squad constituent, or actually someone that's following me on my live or in squad. Shouts out to you. Appreciate all your contributions to the squad. Keep being great. Keep uplifting. Keep motivate. Keep the inspiration. But, yo, let's reveal how this came out. Okay, so I didn't get it evenly on there, but yo, check that out. The colors that came all the way through kind of give it a psychedelic effect right here with the white. But yo, I'll make the mistake so you don't have to. But as I could say right now, these colors is fuego. See how that pops, how that shines, how that glistens? And this is what we call a photo panel from Press Time Products, which will be out soon. You can either hit up 12goneapparel@gmail.com or MikeTees223@gmail.com. But until the next one, y'all, I'm